Hi, I'm Richard Blossom, CEO and co-founder of Hilltribe Organics. HTO created the market for organic free-range eggs in Thailand by giving small farmers 700 hens and the training and know-how to get organic certification. That model more than doubled their family income and also created a significant brand. But to add more farmers, we need to grow. So we reached out to IBD for help in creating a new market for organic bakery goods. The IBD team, despite the limitations of COVID, reached out to industry experts and Thai consumers and came up with insights and a recommendation that was simpler than our original concept, and at the same time led to lower costs and better margins. The team was professional, practical, timely, and well managed. Despite the limitations of COVID, I expect that next year consumers in Thailand will be enjoying our new Hilltribe Organics organic egg tarts, and I hope that among those people will be the team from IBD.